Good evening, my dear friends. This is Nushin. I hope you're doing well. We just had our second workshop for making a commitment for love. Tonight we talked about self-love, and it was a beautiful discussion after I gave some tips and some information, and we had a great question and answer section. Everybody came in and they talked about different things and they asked their questions. Next week, we are going to be talking about mutual understanding, and we're going to continue on self-love with the people who have already been in. You can still join because every week we have a different topic that we're going to talk about, but most probably we're going to review a little bit of last week and answer some questions and go from there. All that said, it's a very cozy group. I put the cap on 20 people. I don't want a big, huge group because it's gonna be out of hand and no one is gonna be able to get one-on-one attention if there are way too many people. But that said, you are more than welcome to be there anytime. You just need to send me your phone number, your email address, and definitely your name, so I know who you are. I usually have a little short interview with you to know what your expectation is. And we are honestly, after 2 weeks, we're becoming like a family. Today, one of our friends, she just joined, and she said she doesn't want to leave because the group is so loving and caring, and we are all talking to each other and learning from each other. So I look forward to seeing you there if you like. We have a couple of men and the rest are women. But tonight, actually, our men ask the most questions. So if you're a man and you want to be there, you're more than welcome to join us. And if your partner wants to be there, that will be great. With all that said, have a beautiful evening. And any questions that you have, you can send me a message on Instagram or Facebook, and or Messenger, basically, and see if I can be of support to you. So until I see you in person, I wish you a beautiful time. Take care of yourself. Oh, Antonella, I love you. Antonella was in class with me. She's one of my colleagues and she's just amazing. So if you come on and you meet with her, you're gonna fall in love with her as well. The same way I love her so much. Okay, have a great evening, everyone. Love you and see you next week if you want to be in mutual understanding. Bye.